Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add Instagram link in Picsart profile, and now let's dive right in. Now to add your Instagram bio link in the Picsart profile, first open up your Picsart app on your phone as I've already opened it. And after opening your Picsart app guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you land over here on the profile interface of Picsart, whereas at the top left corner of the screen you can see the pin icon available for us. Tap on the pin icon at the top left corner of the screen and you land over here, where if you scroll down to the bottom you can see guys on the business setting there it says the Instagram on profile, and add your Instagram link over here or your Instagram profile link over here, whichever may it be, and after that it will be added over here. You don't need to save it, just go back and close this interface. Later on your Instagram link will be saved over here on your bio on your Picsart. And with that being said guys, this is how to add Instagram link in Picsart profile, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.